All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with this beauty right over here. I've got the Shirogorov Custom Division Stellar here with me for a maintenance video. I'm just gonna try to improve the action of this little fella, which is just stellar already, but we can do better, I think. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Check out Fablades.com. Check out @Fablades on Instagram. Guys, let me know what you guys think about this stuff that I'm bringing to you. I'm curious to see if you like this kind of stuff. I don't know. Let me know. Reach out, send me an email, do whatever you want. As long as you enjoy this stuff, I'll be happy. So to take down this guy, you're gonna need a tool, but because this is a custom division with custom division bits, you're kind of also gonna need something like this, which is a custom division pen, which comes with, of course, like this, but this is what you need. And we're gonna use it with this tool right over here, and we're gonna use a lot of gentleness to take this guy apart. I promise I'll be super nice. Orient this in the right direction, which is like this. Make sure it's snug and just gently, gently, gently take it apart. Done. Look at that. You don't want to mar, you don't want to ruin anything out of this fantastic screw. And on this side, you got is it clean? Yeah. You got this screw over here, which is keyed in. So it shouldn't be an issue. Let's just be nice and gentle. And remember to push up against here you go. I just gonna go by hand because I don't wanna leave any mark on this dual anodized pivot screw. Really, guys, we are in the stratosphere of knives with this guy. Because I wanna be extremely cautious, let me first of all clean up a little bit the surface we're gonna work with, because that is an expensive knife and we don't want anything to happen to that. So I'm just gonna make sure that the surface is clean and clear from any debris, anything that might jeopardize the surface of this fantastic and truly amazing blade right over here. All right, so let's just open this bad boy up like so and gently pull the scale away, and let's just admire for a second what is going on the inside of this inset lock. It's truly amazing, guys, really well made. All right, let's do this. You're gonna need some some tweezers. You're gonna need a little bit of rubbing alcohol. So let's just clean this guy. Check that there's no bearings attached, and then you can proceed to clean it up. I don't know why this is factory new. And Shirogorov lately is putting some thick grease, sorry, into the bearings, and the action, I don't think it's optimal. So let me see if we can improve the action a little bit. Just by using 85 weight nano oil. Just gonna remove this stuff also from inside here. There you go. Okay, so let's just do, this is done. This also is nicely done. beautiful. And here, okay. That is, sorry guys, I just admire that for a second. So I'm just gonna do the old puddle here of alcohol. And I'm just gonna do this, look at that. Just soak everything. And I'm just gonna grab the tweezers and pop all these cylinders out because we want them to be cleaned, and to get them clean we got them soaked. There you go. Nice. So let's just clean them like that. You see they already are leaving some residue on the mat, so these are out. There you go, look at this. Just dragging them along. So I like to keep them in this position here. All right, these are also done. Nice. They actually look a little bit different than the previous models. Might be wrong, but they look like of a different color, maybe. Maybe it's just me that I'm losing it, but maybe they are different. So, all right, so I just clean up here, and we are back in business with these guys. Let's start from here, okay? So we're gonna get the, this is oriented correctly. We're gonna get this in first, and let's just start one by one, slowly, getting these bearings in. Like that. It's a tedious process, I know, guys, but you gotta do it. You want the best action on a knife? Yeah, probably, in my opinion, is with the roller bearings. I also tried one full custom with multi-row roller bearings. This is just like single row, and I didn't honestly like feel that difference. I mean, it is for sure more stable, but I'm already content with this kind of action, especially considering the price for like a full custom. Like unless you're getting like a lotto, which is fine, you know. I mean, it's super expensive still, but you're getting a full custom Shiro. As long as you get that, you're gonna be fine. But if you get secondary prices for the full custom, yeah, it's gonna be pretty much prohibitive. They are really expensive. All right, we got 1, we got 2, and we got 3 drops of 85 weight nano oil in the scale. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna transfer the stop pin right over here. I'm moving these guys up for a second. I'm doing the blade in now, like so. I'm doing the other side like that. And let's go. Right? See, nothing. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. It's okay. It's all good. It's gonna go back. There you go. That's very good. And another one is in, and rotate the cage and take the next one, which is in, you see? pretty easy, right? And now that I just said that, this will never go in. Oh, look at that. Also, this guy went in. That's pretty good. Let's rotate this a little bit more like so. And this also is going to be in. All right. Let's just break these two. Also, oops, not in. And now is in. Just reorient that. So you see, like, as you pick it up, it's already oriented and can already go in the slot that you need to fill with the cylinder. So you don't have to do any movement, because it's a very delicate process, guys. You don't want to lose any of these. I mean, not that the action is gonna suffer, because probably you will never notice, but if you're like a OCD a little bit like me, yeah, you can't fool yourself. You will always know that there's a bearing missing, and it's not gonna make you sleep at night. So just be careful, be patient, be slow, just go slow, take your time when you do this operation, because yeah, it's very easy. Like, you apply a little bit of extra pressure on the tweezers and this guy can really fly around the room, and you don't want that. So 1, 2, and 3. And you know what? I'm just gonna do a little bit here and a little bit here on the detent ball track. And then back spacer is in, like so. Wow, guys, the tolerances are nuts. Ridiculous. Beautiful. This guy is in. I am ready. I am definitely ready to, let's do the handle screw first. So now delicate phase as well. You want, that's very well done. So now let me check that everything is in place. Actually, it's not. So that's why I never tighten anything. Okay, like that. So probably this guy has to be down. That's interesting. So let's see what is up. This guy is completely open. And this guy is not. That is very interesting. Oh yeah, of course, because this guy is not aligned. So now it should be aligned. Very good. And now this fella can be in, and this guy can be tightened like that. And now, yes. Now we are talking. Now we can swap the bit, take the screw, firmly apply some pressure so that nothing moves. Here you go. So let's see, it's a little bit tight. So So let's do just a tiny bit less. Blades still centered. Actually, we can do a little bit less. Oh yeah. Oof. Oh my God. Rock solid. Oof. Oh my God. Guys, really hard to describe the feeling of this action over here. It's and the sound when you close this thing, oof, it's almost inaudible. Ridiculous. It is ridiculous. Probably the most satisfying action I've ever tried. I'm not kidding. It's oof. It is a gorgeous action. Oh yeah. I don't know. Kind of speechless. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment down below. And there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.